Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject Maths. Lesson 3. Double Century. Hello, students. Today, we are going on a journey through time to learn the story of our numbers. Are you ready? Let's travel way back in time. Thousands of years ago, people lived in forests and caves. They had no paper, no pens, and no phones. But they had something special. They wanted to count. They counted their animals, their fruits, and their pots. But there were no numbers like 1, 2, 3 back then. So what did they do? They made marks on the walls of caves. Like this. Each line meant one thing. That's how they started counting. Isn't that clever? Then, they began making groups. 5 fingers in a hand, 10 toes, sometimes even 20 or 60. That's how they grouped things together to make counting easier. Thousands of years later, ancient Indians had a brilliant idea. They said, let's write any number using just 10 symbols. Here they are. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, that's it, just 10 digits to write any number in the world. But the biggest hero of this story is 0. The number 0. 0 means nothing, but it changed everything. Without 0, we couldn't write 10, 100, or even 1000. We are going to meet a magic talking pot. This pot is very smart. You say a number, and it will tell you the next number. I said 42. The pot said 43. I said 39. The pot said 40. Wow! The pot always says the next number. Now I said 99. And the pot shouted 100. Amazing! One more than 99 is 100. But what is 100? Let's find out using real things. 10 bundles of 10 sticks each is equal to 100 sticks. 10 packets of 10 bindis is equal to 100 bindis. So children, 10 tens make 100. That's a big number. We call it a century. When a cricketer scores 100 runs, we say, he scored a century. Next topic, number sentence, 70 plus 30 makes 100. Let's start with a simple number sentence. 70 plus 30 makes 100. That means, if you have 70 rupees in one hand and 30 rupees in the other hand, you have 100 rupees in total. Now you try some more. Blank and blank makes 100. You can say 50 plus 50 makes 100. 60 plus 40 makes 100. 90 plus 10 makes 100. Wow! So many ways to make 100. Next topic, elephant made 100. Look, elephant is on a number line. He is standing at number 65. He takes a big jump of 35 steps. 65 plus 35 equals 100. That's how elephant made 100 by jumping. Isn't that fun? Try jumping numbers and making 100. Next topic, make 100 by different jumps on the number line. Here is a number line. Start at 0 and reach 100 by different jumps. First, jump 50. Then, jump 30. Then, jump 20. 50 plus 30 plus 20 equals 100. You can try. 40 plus 40 plus 20 equals 100. 25 plus 25 plus 50 equals 100. So many ways to reach 100 by jumping. Next topic. Fill the flower petals to make 100. Look at this flower. Each petal has a number. We need to fill the missing number to make 100. If one petal shows 80, what number will make 100? Yes, it's 20 because 80 plus 20 equals 100. Try more. 60 plus 40 makes 100. 25 plus 75 makes 100. Next topic, 101 makes 101. Now let's add just one more to 100. 100 plus one more makes 101. That is 101. You can keep counting more. 100 plus 2 is 102. 100 plus 3 is 103. So simple and so fun. Thanks for watching.